Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to search a Discord server and filter messages by user. Click on the server icon in the left sidebar to open the server you want to search. The server's channels and chat appear in the main view. Click the search bar at the top of the screen and type from, followed by a colon, to bring up the search filters. Click the search bar again to open the From User dropdown with the available filter options. For this example, I'm going to click on From a specific user, and a list of users in the server appears below it. Select the user whose messages you want to find. For this example, I'm selecting Test Account, and the search results appear on the right side, showing all messages from that user in the server. You can combine the From filter with regular search terms to narrow down the results even further. Just type your keyword after the filter. The filter is case sensitive, so type the username exactly as it appears in the server member list. The search results panel shows message previews with timestamps, so you can click any result to jump straight to that message in the channel. And that's how to filter Discord messages by user. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.